Hello there, it's Diorama Don here again. Welcome, my friends, to the show that never ends. If you can tell me what song those lyrics are from, please comment in the section below. I did promise that I would do sort of different off-the-wall projects from time to time, and this is one of them. This is quite different. I've always been a fan of Art Deco architecture, Art Deco culture from 1940s, 1950s, and especially Americana culture. So there's nothing that exemplifies that more than the American diner. So I'm going to have a go at trying to make an American diner. I'm sure you all know what one is. They look very much like railway carriages, which is why this looks a little bit like a railway carriage that way up. But they're not. They were built as restaurants, not as they look like railway carriages. Anyway, I've used 3mm cardboard to cut out my windows either side, and then this is the base of it, so it will be something like that, and then these on the end. So that would be the basic four-sided building, but then we've got to make it look Art Deco-ish. So if I put these four pieces together, make it into a building, and we'll move forward from there and try and make it look a little more Art Deco in design. Okay, so I'll be back in a moment. Just a quick update then. I've put the four sides together, and around the edges I've used this sticky back plastic stuff, very cheap from a stationer's. And then on top corrugated paper, and then sprayed that silver, so it gives that effect. I've made a set of steps to sit in the front there. I need a wall in front, and then a porch for people to go in, and of course the roof. So that's where we are at the moment. I won't do the interior for the moment. I may do it later, depending on how many people watch the video. But there we are. That's where we are at the moment. So I'll carry on and do a bit more. Okay, so all finished now. I'll put the steps in the front there with the entrance foyer, and a very Art Deco looking sign at the top there. In fact, I think it's all very Art Deco-ish. I think we've captured the essence of the time. So there we are. That's my American diner. If you watch any of my other videos, you will know that there's one vehicle that crops up from time to time that I put on my dioramas, but I don't think it will be quite suitable for this one. So I've got something completely different, which is it's a 1932 Ford 3-door coupe, or coupe, and I know that because it says so on the bottom. So I think that would be in keeping with my American diner. Okay, there we go. Cost, again, almost nothing. A sheet of acetate, clear acetate plastic. I think that was about 10 pence, about 8 cents. Sticky back plastic, again 10 pence. Some polystyrene and some cardboard. No paint. So all in all, probably £2 maybe $1.50, something like that. So very inexpensive to make, if you wanted one. If you wanted to make one yourself, that is. I'll see what the interest is in my video as to whether I do the interior. So it would be obviously black and white checkered floor, and then red seating all the way around. So I may continue, but if nobody's going to watch the video, then I won't bother. We'll see how it goes. But thank you for watching this one anyway. Please subscribe to the channel. You'll be informed when new videos come up. I normally do 2 or 3 a week. So press the subscribe button. He's sticking down a bit. Okay, thanks again for watching. Have a go yourself, and happy modeling.